Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find either accounts or Google. You can decide, but I prefer the account, so let me tap on it and simply tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address because after tapping on next your device will autofill everything which is after the @ symbol. Alright, so here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Oh my god. Okay, it's up to you if you want to turn on the backup. I don't want to, so just tap on don't turn on. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info. Of course you can turn it off if you want to, or just tap on accept. And as you can see here we've got our Google account added, and of course you can add another if you want to. If not, you can always remove the account just by tapping on it and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.